In today's class, we will discuss the topics of body measurement and basic pattern drafting. Accurate body measurements are crucial for creating well-fitting garments. Incorrect measurements can lead to ill-fitting clothing. Tools for taking body measurements. 1. Tape measure, for measuring different parts of the body. 2. Pencil or pen, for recording the measurements. 3. Paper, to record the measurements. 4. A string, to be tied around the natural waistline. Guidelines for taking body measurements. 1. Take measurements over close-fitting garments or undergarments. Wear flat shoes. 2. For accuracy, have a friend take your body measurements. 3. Record each measurement promptly. 4. Use a non-stretch tape measure. 5. Measure accurately, avoiding adding to or subtracting from the actual body measurements. 6. Stand erect when taking body measurements. Basic body measurements. The fundamental body measurements needed for dressmaking include 1. Bodice A, bust/chest, measurement around the fullest part of the bust/chest. B. Bust point, from the waist to under the bust, determining the angle and position of bust darts. C. Front width, measure from one underarm to the other across the chest, about 4 cm below the neck base. D. Front length, measure from the neck end of the shoulder to the string tied around the waist. E. Back width, measure across the back from one underarm to the other. F. Back length, measure from the nape to the center of the waist. G. Shoulder, measure from the side of the neck to the shoulder bone. 2. Sleeve A, arm length, short sleeve, measure with the arm bent from the end of the shoulder to the elbow. B. Arm length, long sleeve, measure with the arm bent from the end of the shoulder to the wrist bone. C. Upper arm circumference, measure around the widest part of the upper arm, for short sleeves. D. Wrist circumference, measure around the wrist below the wrist bone, for long sleeves. 3. Skirt. A. Waist, measure around the natural waistline. B. Hip, measure the widest part of the body below the waist, usually between 18 cm and 23 cm below the waistline, depending on the figure type. C. Front length, measure from the center front from the waist to the ground. D. Back length, measure from the waist tape at the center back to the ground. E. Side length, measure from the waist tape at the side to the ground. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.